Dear children, now in this video we are going to know how the fractional numbers will convert into decimal forms. Okay children? Okay, let's go. Here are some fractions. 3/2, 8/9, 4/15, 3/8, 1/3, 18/7, 12/10. Okay, here are the fractional forms. Let's go to know how can we change the fractions into decimal. Okay, here the first one is 3/2. Okay, 3/2. Okay, division 3 with 2. Okay, 2 1 is 2. Remaining 1. Take point. Here 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So remainder is 0. Okay. The 3/2. The answer will 1/5. Sorry, 1.5. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, that is 1.5. 3/2 is 1.5. Okay, 8/9. 8 with 9. Not divisible with 9. So 0 point. Here 80. 9 8s are 72. Remaining 8. Again there is point. So take 0. 9 8s are 72. Again remaining is 8. So take 0. 9 8s are 72. Remaining 0. So the process will going on. Okay, here 8 will coming. Okay, right. Continuously come. So 8/9 we can write in the decimal form is 0.888 and so on. Okay, right. Okay. I remove this. Okay. Okay, next 4/15. Okay, 4 divided by 15. Okay, 15. Compare with 4. 4 is a small number. So, take a decimal 0 0. So, here 40. So, for 15 2s are 30. Okay, remaining is 10. There is a point. So, take 0. So, next 15 table. 15 4s are 60. 15 5s are 75. 15 6s are 90. Okay, right. 15 6s are 90. Remaining is 10. Okay, right. Again 0. 15 6s are 90. Again 10. Okay, take 0. 15 6s are 90. Again 10. 0. 15 6s are 90. Again 0. Okay, the process was going on. So that means 4 by divided by 15 is 0.2666 and so on. Right, very good. Okay, let's erase this. And 3 by 8. Okay. 3 divided by 8. Okay. 3 is small. So 0.30. 8 3s are 24. Remaining 6. There is a point. So 0. 8 7s are 56. 4.0. 8 5s are 40. So remainder is 0. This is 0.375. Okay, right. Next, I am going to erase this. Next, okay, 1 by 3. 1 by 3. There is 1 is small number, so take a point, 0 point, then 1, 10, 10. 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1. So 0. 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1. Again 0. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 remaining. Again 0. Okay, the process was going on. So that means 1 by 3 equals to 0.333 and so on. Right. Okay. Next, 18 by 7. 18 by 7. 7 2s are 14. 4 remaining. Point 0. 7 5s are 35. Here remaining is 5. So again 0. 7 7s are 49. Remaining 1. Okay, remaining 1. So adding here 0. So 7 1 is 7. Remaining 3. So 0. 7 4s are 28. Here 2. Again 0. 7 2s are 14. Remaining 6. Okay, right. Again 0. 7 8s are 56. Okay, here 60. I will write this 60 here. 7 8s are 56. Remaining 4. Okay, again 40. 7 5s are 35. Remaining 5. Again 0. 7 7s are 49. Remaining 0. Remaining 3. So 0. 7 4s are, sorry, remaining 1. 7 1s are 7. Remaining 3. 0. 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2. Again the process is coming. Okay, here 5 7 1 4. 5 7 1 4. Okay, right, equals to 2.5714 285714. Okay, the processes was going on, so and so on. I think again the digits are repeating. Okay, that is 2 8. Again 5 7. Okay, and so on. Sorry, here is some erasing. 3 by 8. 3. 0.30. 3s are 24. 6 0. 8 7s are 56. 4 0. 5s are 40. Okay, 7 5. Right. Next, last and final, 12 by 10. Okay, 12 by 10. 12 with 10. 10 1 is 10. Remaining 2. Okay, so take a point. Here 0. 10 2s are 20. Remainder 0. Okay, equals to 1.2. Okay. Right. Now, let's discuss about these decimals. Okay. 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 Now we are going to classify. Okay. Can you classify? Is all the decimals are same? No. Some are ending. Some are terminating. Okay. This is a terminating decimal. Okay. When the remainder is 0, then the division process is ended. So this is a terminating decimal. Okay. Terminating decimal. Okay. Terminating decimal. Okay. Here 8 is repeating, so this can be written in the form of 0.8 bar. Okay. This is not terminating. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Okay, right. Decimal. Okay, next one is 0.26 bar. Okay, 6 only repeating. So this is also non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, what about this? This is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Okay, right. Now this one can written in the form of 0.3 bar. Okay. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, this one also a repeating decimal. 571428. This is a repeating. Okay, so this can be written in the form of 2.571428 bar. Okay, non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, here 1.2 is ended, so terminating decimal. Okay, right. Okay, these are fractions in the form of P by Q. Okay, these are the P by Q forms. Okay, right. These P by Q forms are, some are terminating, some are non-terminating. Okay, these terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals are also called as rational numbers. Okay, right. Very good. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, if you take any P by Q form, the decimal form of that P by Q form is terminating and non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, all are non-terminating repeating decimals and terminating decimals? Maybe no. Okay, some decimals, for example, 1 point, if we divide take some fractions and divide, then the numbers will be come like this. 3, 6, 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, these are not repeating decimals. Okay, right. And next, some numbers 3.14514214818 7 3, some numbers like this. Okay, these are not repeating decimals. Next, 0.121212221322 okay, and so on. These are also not repeating decimals. Okay, these decimals are the numbers which are non-terminating, non-repeating. These are all non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Okay, these all are called, the numbers which are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, children, I hope you all understand the difference between the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, thank you. Keep watching Kranti Maths YouTube channel.